Hello everyone, welcome to the Study Hacks Institute of GIS and Remote Sensing. Today I will try to discuss a very important topic, mainly how we can easily monitor the urban air quality assessment using Google Earth Engine. So basically in this case I will try to analyze how vegetation influence nitrogen dioxide pollution level in Los Angeles study area, and then further I try to explain how we can easily create this type of correlation. So if you check this chart here, we can easily find out if when I got that high NDVI value, so then we find out the low concentration level of nitrogen dioxide. When I find out the low NDVI value, then we find out that high concentration of nitrogen dioxide. So these things we can easily calculate and monitor the how vegetation influence nitrogen dioxide pollution level in a study area. So you also try to apply. So in this case, you can see we need to create the NDVI. I also need to create the nitrogen dioxide concentration level. So for the NDVI, you can easily use any types of satellite imagery, Landsat or Sentinel or MODIS. So for the nitrogen dioxide, we are just using here the Sentinel 5 feet tropospheric instrument we try to use in here. And if you check, this is the code about that. So basically, if you check this map, first of all, here I already create the two layer. First layer is for NDVI. So this is the NDVI map. So here you can see this is the NDVI. This green pixel indicating about that high NDVI value, as well as this is the nitrogen dioxide concentration. So if you check it here, we find out that, so basically this type of red color, it's indicating about the high concentration of nitrogen dioxide level, and this type of white color is indicating about the low concentration level of nitrogen dioxide. So if you check it, this map here, we can easily find out that where the vegetation area is available. If you check it, this type of green color, this type of green place, we find out the low concentration of nitrogen dioxide. Okay, and if you check, this is the middle place, it's not much vegetation. So for this place, we find out that high concentration of nitrogen dioxide. Okay, so we find out this type of thing. So we can easily create the NDVI map, as well as we also create the nitrogen dioxide concentration map. So now we try to calculate for suppose correlation, and further we try to check the value. So here I already created. So if you check, so we are just simply combine. So basically just simply combine NDVI and nitrogen dioxide in a single image. So just use here the call this variable name, which is variable stored the NDVI map, and also his variable stored the nitrogen dioxide map. Simply call. And further for the correlation analysis, we are just take the 5000 pixel. Okay, 5000 point, we take the randomly, and further we just make the chart. So in this case, we just put here UI chart dot feature by feature, and further we try to create for a scatter chart. Okay, and also to add the trend line, we also try to add the trend line, this type of trend line. So from this we can easily find out this type of chart. Okay, so from this chart we can easily get, suppose when I find out the high NDVI value, then we find out that low concentration level of nitrogen dioxide, and when we find out that low NDVI value, it shows the high concentration of nitrogen dioxide. And if you check the value about the correlation value overall, so we find out the negative. Okay, so it shows the negative correlation. So it means that if NDVI value is increased, then we find out that nitrogen dioxide concentration is the low. If the NDVI value is low, then we find out that nitrogen dioxide concentration is high. So this is the way we can easily apply, and further we try to check for urban air quality assessment, and also analyze how vegetation influence nitrogen dioxide pollution levels in a specific study area. So basically this is the process. If you want to join the further more details about the Google Earth Engine, and also learn all of those things from beginners to advanced level, then you can easily join my upcoming online training program. So this class will be start from the 21st February, and admission last the 20th February, but we also give some discount. Basically first and is will get the 50% discount on this online training program. So if you want to get this 50% discount, then try to complete your registration as soon as possible. So basically there are the total 7 days online training program, and each day mainly 4 hours I give you for the deliver the lecture. And if you want to join this online training program, for that simply contact in this WhatsApp number, also contact with this email, and book your seat. So basically in this online training program you will learn all of those from beginners to advanced level. If you have no knowledge about the coding, mainly Python or JavaScript, don't worry about that. You will learn all of things from beginners to advanced level. And you can check all of course content for each day from my website. I already added all of those in the video description, so simply check the course content. And when you join this online training program, you can get some benefits, such as you can get the course e-certificate after submitting all of assignment. You can get that all of materials, mainly slide, PDF, as well as also get the all of practice code, and also get the recorded class. If you miss any live session, then you can easily cover using the recorded class. And regarding this online training program, any content, if you need the more help, so further any future time you can get the freely support for the lifetime. Okay, this is a lifetime support regarding this online training program, even after training is end. Okay, then you can get the lifetime teaching support. As well as regarding this topic, any topic, if you are interested to make a research paper, then you also get the collaboration support. Okay, so then just explore the opportunity to collaborate and publishing the scientific papers. It also available. So if you want to join this online training program, and if you want to get the 50% discount on this online training program, as soon as possible, simply contact in this WhatsApp number, also contact with this email, and book your seat. Okay, today is no more. Thank you for watching that. Stay happy, stay safe.